Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. So a lot of people ask me what I eat, what kind of meals I make. This is a lunch for today. I don't always eat lunch or breakfast, but today I am. It's just some sliced up red cabbage, some sliced up cheap jalapeno sausages, some cauliflower, some broccoli, and then I just put some no salt in there, and I put some Redmond sea salt, which is my favorite, standby salt. Himalayan pink salt's good too. There's some gray salt. But yeah, that'll just be my lunch. I put a little water in here. I fry this in lard. I put a little water in it and just kind of let it steam down just a little bit. I like my vegetables to still be a little crunchy, and then that will be what is for dinner. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Hopefully this helps. I'll start sharing some of the meals that I have for my keto with other people, and kind of give you an idea. I don't eat like keto bread and keto brownies and keto cakes and all this crap that people try to make that's ketos. I don't do fat bombs. I just add a little fat like lard or whatever to my meals, and I try to eat whole simple foods. That's just what I do, and it seems to be working for me. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, the Frugal Prepper.